Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
I love you.
I think I love you more, though. Okay.
How are you?
Yeah, how are you? We've been good at school and stuff. I'm getting the concepts in math now and stuff. So, yeah. Dill, you take it away.
Yeah, we just got our half midterm report cards, and yeah, we're doing tests this week.
Yeah, you can't do it on the computers anymore. I think there's like a bug or something. So we have to do it on paper.
The people who sponsored the tests for the computer they left, so we have to do them by hand now.
Yeah, my hand's trying to cramp up from holding my pencil all for an hour.
And I made finals for track.
I wish I did sports. I do.
So, what have you been doing lately?
Read any good books?
How's work?
Yeah, work.
I love you.
Hasta luego. That's Latin for goodbye.
Bye.
Wait, my friend, she says that Latin is really Spanish, or they're the same thing, but I don't think so. Ask Dad. Turn it over. Turn it.
No, Spanish is not Latin.
Peace. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, by the way, we're recording.
You never said.
Go.
Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Pause. Okay, cut.
Pause.
3.
Hi, Mom.
Hi,
Happy
Mom.
Mother's
Wait. So I say action. Okay. Ready. First of all, everyone in the screen. Okay, now, ready, set, action.
Hi,
Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Okay.
What is so funny?